Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how we can make the ATS friendly CV or resume that you want to make. First you have to develop your whole LinkedIn profile. As here you can see my LinkedIn profile, and here when you open up your LinkedIn profile and you have settled down all the certifications, experiences, education, everything you have mentioned, and you have added to your profile. Here you have all the sections, like here I have featured my projects, and these are my activities and my timeline, how I worked during my whole career, and my projects, everything I have mentioned on my profile. So I don't need to make my CV manually or doing something manual work or buying some template or something. I just go here in three dots. Here I can download my whole this profile as a PDF with just one button. I will click on that. Here you can see it will be downloaded, and I can open this out here. But now I will redirect to my AI bot here, which is Claude I am using right now. This is the best way to make the latex code. We will make a latex code, then we will apply that, and we will be downloading our CV. So I will give a prompt here. Let's see. I want to make my CV latex code for my LinkedIn profile. Here I am attaching my PDF where I downloaded complete information from my LinkedIn profile, right? So I'll just attach that PDF here, and this will be just getting that information from my PDF, and it will generate a latex code for me. And then I will implement that latex code in a website, and I will be making it. Okay, here generate a latex code for me and use it like I am going to apply for multinational companies like Google, Microsoft, and Netflix. You can say, hit enter. This will be making my latex code. Before that, I will go here, latex Overleaf. This is a website, Overleaf, where we can just paste over that information or the code. You can just log in or sign up. If you don't have the account, you can sign up. If you have the account, you can log in with it. Blank project I will open up. I will give a name here, my latest 2026 CV, and let's create it. It will create a new window for me, and there I will paste my latex code. And here, if you see, if I run this code, recompile, it will make, yeah, it will make this output as you can see here. But I want my whole CV where I want to add my link, where people can just click and they can access my LinkedIn profile and each and everything. So here it will create that latex code for me, and I will simply copy that code and I will paste over there. I will click on their copy. You can see it has been copied to my clipboard, and I will come here. I will press Ctrl A, delete my everything here that we have, and I will press Ctrl V. So I have pasted my whole text here that I copied from the AI bot. I will click on recompile. This will make my CV within seconds, and yes, this is a latex code. If you see, if I click on it, it will redirect me to my LinkedIn profile. And here you can see this is my website, basically Ali Data Analytics, and this is my LinkedIn profile, and this is my email. Everything is clickable. So if I scroll down, so it created it really well, and now I can click on share. I can share it to my other emails, my friends, my colleagues, or anyone, and I can download this PDF as well. If I click on that PDF, you can see this is a well structured CV and ATS friendly. Like, the system will never drop your CV, and that's how you can make your ATS friendly CV. And even you can sell these templates by making, here you can go onto Shutterstock, you can place it over there, and you can make money as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below if you want more videos like this. I will be there to assist you with the tricks and techniques in data analytics fields. Thank you.